In front of me is Realme Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK. Make sure that Timeout is set up to infinite and go into tab menu. Now click on those three dots at the top right corner, select Edit and look for Caffeine shortcut at the bottom. Add it to your menu, go back and click on it to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!